Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change an image brightness and contrast using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select here edit option already selected. Now click on this image and select. Now active this object tools option and click on this format option. And this left side top corner, here you will find this brightness and contrast option. Click here and this is brightness and contrast dialog box. Now open here, you can increase this brightness, you can decrease, and this is contrast, you can increase decrease this contrast and sense and see this image look now says, and select OK and apply and see this. Again you can change it and you can increase brightness and contrast and this is brightness. Yeah, this is, and now select apply. In this way you can change image brightness and contrast, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.